In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive or delete all ChatGPT chats, 2026 guide. If your chat list feels cluttered or you want a clean slate, there are two clear paths: archiving, which is a soft delete you can undo, and permanent deletion, which you cannot. I'll walk you through both, explain the differences, and share quick troubleshooting so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start with archiving, the safer option. On chatgpt.com, click your profile icon and open Settings. In the menu, go to the Data Controls tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Archive All Chats. Click Archive All, then Confirm in the pop-up window. That's it. Your conversations are removed from the main sidebar, making your workspace feel lighter without losing anything permanently. If you ever want to review or restore these, return to Data Controls, open Archived Chats, and select Manage. From there, you can view what's been tucked away and bring individual conversations or groups of them back to the main list. Archiving is perfect for decluttering while keeping your history accessible for reference. Now, if you're sure you want everything gone for good, here's how to permanently delete all chats. Follow the same path. Profile icon, settings, then data controls. Find delete all chats and click delete all. You may be prompted to verify your choice. This extra step helps make sure the action is intentional. When you're ready, click confirm deletion. Your home screen chat list will be completely cleared. Unlike archiving, deletion can't be undone by you or by the system. So proceed only if you are absolutely certain you no longer need any of those conversations. Here's the difference in plain terms. Archived chats are hidden from your main sidebar and can be restored whenever you like. Deleted chats are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Choose Archive. All if your goal is to simplify your view and keep your history available in the background. Choose Delete. All if privacy and permanent data removal are your priority. A couple of quick troubleshooting notes. If the sidebar doesn't update right after you archive or delete, simply refresh your browser page to reload the view. Also, any changes you make on the web version will synchronize across your mobile and desktop apps, so your chat list will stay consistent no matter where you sign in. And that is all for today. Keeping your chat history organized ensures your AI workspace remains efficient and private. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in